Here it is, day I don't know which one anymore. Here is the parents' bedroom that start to look quite good now with the bed and small tables and the light, and yeah, just the curtains remain to be fixed, and the wardrobe. Okay. Then in the corridor, there we go to Natalie's bedroom, which is also almost finished. There's the floor, which was done in the cupboard. The light was installed. Here are some coffee tables. One is for Natalie's bedroom and the two others for the living room. And some nice decorations on the wall in Natalie's bedroom. Okay. And then we go into the living room, where there's a big change with some plant and lounges.
Where's the square?
Here are the two for the living room. The balcony was cleaned today. We bought some plants. We have the thing for the TV. Yeah, and then here the kitchen was cleaned also, and it's ready to be used. Yeah, so we're almost there. Okay, see you next time.
David, all right.